West Fargo Elementary School principal has been pushed back to next year. David George faces 4 federal charges, including distribution of images depicting the sexual exploitation of children and transportation of a minor. Now, he was the former Independence Elementary principal and Cheney Middle School assistant principal. His trial was set to begin October 8th, but according to court documents, the defense counsel requested continuance to further investigate. That trial is now set to begin February 25th.